In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Can't click on Start menu in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you can't click on the Start menu in Windows, it's usually caused by a small system glitch, a frozen process, or even a corrupted file. So there's a few different ways what we can try to fix this, and I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is to restart Windows Explorer. So to do this, on your keyboard, click on Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Then from here, we want to go ahead and find Windows Explorer. Basically, it's going to be near the bottom of the page. Go ahead, right-click it, and then click on Restart. Now, the next fix is to go ahead and run a systems file check. So in search, type in CMD, and then we need to open up Command Prompt. Now, once Command Prompt is open, we want to go ahead and copy and paste this code in. So type in SFC /scan now, and then hit enter. And then wait for the scan to finish. Now, you might get this error. So what we need to do is open CMD as administrator. So run as administrator. Click onto yes. And then type that in again, and then hit enter. Now that's going to start a system scan. So now this is going to take some time for this to do that scan. So now this is going to scan all protected Windows system files on your computer. Now it's also going to check if any files are corrupted, missing, or modified. Now also it's going to automatically repair them using a clean copy stored in Windows. Now it's important Windows fixes file related things to fix things like start menu problems, taskbar issues, system processes if they are corrupted. Okay, next fix what we can do is restart the start menu process. So to do this, go ahead and open up Task Manager, which is Control, Shift, and Escape again. Now once that's open, click on the Details tab. I'm going to expand this. Now look for Start Menu Experience Host.exe. So I'm just going to type this in. So come up where it says search, type that in. Now from here, we want to go ahead and right click Start Menu, and then from here, we need to go ahead and end task, and Windows will automatically restart the process. So go ahead and click on end task, and Windows will automatically restart that process.